Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude. So first open up Claude and enter a new or existing chat. And starting a new chat can help keep your analysis organized, while an existing chat may be useful if you are already discussing related information. So next, click the plus icon beside the message box and select the option to add files or photos, then find the Excel file on your computer. Check the file name, select the spreadsheet, and upload it to the chat. And once the file is attached, type a clear prompt explaining what you want Claude to do. So for example, you can ask it to summarize and analyze the spreadsheet or review the information inside it, then send the message and allow Claude to process the file. So Claude will analyze the spreadsheet and provide a response based on your requests. So this is helpful when you want to understand Excel data quickly without reviewing every row manually. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.